BIM Substation Designer, or BSD, transforms how utilities and engineers design substations by bringing substation-specific workflows and data into an Autodesk Revit design environment. In this video, we'll show you how design automation and substation-specific tools dramatically accelerate design time while retaining the benefits of BIM-native design in Revit. We'll start by showing a common and repetitive task, placing a foundation pier. BSD extends the functionality of Revit by allowing optional connection points, which enable components to snap together in the appropriate position and rotation. Switch placements works in the same way. Here you can see I've selected a switch to place in my design. Revit's native functionality will rotate an object around a component, but will not specifically position or orient the objects. With connectors, when I am close, I can just click and BSD will orient and connect the switch appropriately to ensure proper placement. BSD introduces a new substation-specific data model, Substation Interchange Format, or SIF, to allow intelligence to flow from planning through design, build, and energize. You can see that extendable model here in the Properties window. Also using the Properties window, I can adjust the height of this assembly, and since everything is related, the entire group shifts appropriately, from the foundation piers to the steel structure and switches. BSD makes adding bus and flexible conductors easy. With BSD, Revit now places actual bus and flexible conductors, so your materials list and drawings will show the actual components you need for substation design. Bus and cables use the connector functionality, so just select the bus or cable you want to use, click each connector, and BSD will automatically place and route the appropriate component. BSD also updates the material list with the appropriate length of bus or cable, which you can see here in the Properties window. Here's the same functionality with flexible conductors. Flexible conductors can be run between two fittings, or you can select multiple fittings in a run for pass-through connections. For flexible conductors, BSD also supports sag and tension calculation. Looking at the Properties window, we can see this is a flexible conductor, and the materials list will be updated appropriately. Creating A-frames is automated in BSD. It's as simple as selecting the tool, clicking on the top and bottom bus, and the connectors, angles, position, and components will be automatically calculated in place. Work sharing is native to Revit, so all the design work we've done is easy to sync with a cloud collaboration tool. In this example, we're using Autodesk Forma, so I'll close my design and it will prompt my sync to the cloud. Switching over to the web view of Forma, I'll open my design. Here you can see the switches, conductors, and other facilities I added. The intelligence from each component carries through to Forma and is visible in the Properties window. BIM Substation Designer enables Revit to significantly accelerate substation-specific design. What can BSD do in your workflow?